Okay, welcome back to Daily Driven Alpha. Right, GT Junior is on its way up to a new resting space up the mountains. We're going to tuck that away for a year or so before we come back to it. And as you can see, we've been cannibalising it for some other projects, taking a few little bits and pieces out of it. And she's looking pretty sad and sorry, but it will come good. So it's on the trailer going on its journey, and today we've just been gifted by a friend of ours a Giulia Super shell, which he has no use for. He stripped it out. He's given us the doors with it as well, but he has a new old stock shell, very rare indeed, and he's going to build that car, and he's given us this. So initially we thought we'd cut this up for panels, but having a look at it, we actually think we've got enough parts to get this up to a rolling shell, even though there's bits cut out of it, even though there's a lot of corrosion. You can see we've got the pieces, some of the firewall's been cut out, but that can be repaired. We can fix that. But the roof is in really sound condition, apart from that obvious rust there, but that's not much. The B pillars are really straight, the A pillars are straight, C pillars are straight. There's a lot of corrosion. The boot's completely gone. The boot lid itself has got corrosion in it. Looks okay from the rear end. However, oops, can't lift it, got it twitched. However, you'll be able to see as we go down through there, a lot of rot in the back end. All fixable, just takes time, patience and a bit of steel. Bonnet is completely gone, but we've got a bonnet that's in good condition that will fit. Front end in very poor condition, and that's going to take a little bit of work. But the frame itself is solid, and even though it needs new sills, these are all things that can be fixed, panels that can be repaired. Once again, just hate to see another Alfa go to the wreckers, go to the crushers when it doesn't have to. Let's rescue it. Let's restore it. Let's get it back on the road. Who knows? It's either a road car or it's a race car project. Anything's possible with it, but that's where we're at the moment. So maybe we got a little bit distracted from the projects at the moment, but when you get gifted another vehicle or another project shell to work on, you can't say no. And as you know, at Daily Driven Alpha, it's all about rescuing these cars and getting them back on the road. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this short update, and we'll have some more on the GT Veloce project car shortly. We're doing some final body prep on that, and that's this weekend coming up. Like, subscribe, share your comments, respectful comments, and let us know how you're going on your projects. Thanks for watching.